Hello, this is Matt with Shepherd Square Car Care in Goodyear. I'd like to talk about exhaust and converters. Converters and exhaust are very important. If your catalytic converter is out, your check engine light comes on, you cannot pass your state inspection. We're at Shepherd Square Car Care can replace all exhaust, catalytic converters, O2 sensors, custom exhaust. We do it all when it comes to your exhaust system. So come on out to Shepherd Square Car Care. Let us give you a free diagnostic on what it's going to take to fix your converter or exhaust system. Thank you.